Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by connecting the edition XS and configuring I/O. Make sure inputs match your source. Once connected, load a familiar reference track and set monitor level to -6 dBFS so headroom is consistent. Next, enable a flat EQ preset and bypass compressors or reverb. This isolates tonal changes. You will hear differences more clearly when only EQ influences the sound. Trust your ears, but also watch meters to avoid clipping as you proceed. You now focus on the mids and highs. Sweep a mid-band using Q around 1, 0 to 1, 5 to locate any harsh resonances. Once located, make narrow cuts of 2 to 6 dB to tame those frequencies. Small reductions go a long way. For clarity, apply a gentle high shelf boost of 2 to 3 dB above 8 kHz for air, but compare with the bypass state. Make sure to listen at normal level and check mono compatibility as you refine. You finish by tightening the low end. Apply an 80 to 100 Hz high-pass filter on non-bass instruments to remove rumble. For sources that need weight, use a gentle low-shelf boost of 1 to 3 dB centered around 60 to 120 Hz. Avoid excessive buildup. Once done, perform a /B comparisons, verify phase coherence in mono, and save your custom preset. If something sounds thin after saving, reset the bypass and reevaluate. Often a missed filter or phase swap.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.